I'm going to take a motor out for a spin this morning. It's Johnson 10 horsepower. It's restore number 98, a 1961 Johnson 10 horsepower model CD18. This one's for T-Mike. It is for sale. Anybody's interested. It's a full restore. Fully taken apart, cleaned, painted, completely rebuilt. Ready for the test run under the big oak tree at Lake Martin. Here's a video of it all apart and cleaned and ready to put back together, and then we'll take her out for a spin. Hello vintage outboard motor fans. T-Mike again here in South Louisiana, making another video today. This video is on my latest restore. It's a 1961 Johnson 10 horsepower model CD18. I believe this one's going to be for me, for my collection. So I got her all taken apart, painted, sanding, lower cowling, power head, hood, gear case, rerun starter rebuilt, magneto rebuilt. There's all the rubber mounts. And there's all the nuts and bolts all ready to be put back together. Alright, we got her out on the water this morning amongst the beautiful cypress trees here at Lake Martin. I'm gonna give her a crank and a run. She's restore number 98, a 1961 10 horsepower CD18. Let's see how she does. Got some canoe fishermen out this morning. Runs great. Pushing my 14-foot John boat here about 10 miles an hour. Not bad. Another good restore. just remember, here at Team Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. See you next video. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Here at Team Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.